This might be the simplest project I've ever made. All you need is some scrap wood and 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need. An old board. I'm using 1x4 pallet wood, but other scraps and dimensions will work too, but you'll need at least 18 inches of material total. A small piece of 1/4 inch plywood or board. I just grabbed a cutoff from a previous project. Wood glue, nails, and a picture hanger. First, cut your board into lengths between 5 and 10 inches. You can use a circular saw, table saw, jigsaw, or handsaw for this. Accuracy of cuts isn't really a big deal for this project. Once your pieces are cut, spend some time arranging them with 2 on the bottom and 1 covering the gap on top. Once you're happy, flip it over, add glue, then add in nails. You can use a brad nailer if you have it, but hand nailing will work as well. Just glue would be fine too if you clamped it and don't mind waiting a bit. With the boards in place, you can add your 1/4 inch piece to the back. But first, add either a hole for a nail or attach a picture hanger to it, and again, glue and nail it to the back. You can sand the edges or add finish if you like, or just leave it as is. Next, hang it on the wall and add in some greenery. It doesn't get much simpler than that. And there you go, a simple, easy project that you can add to your home or give as a gift. If you like this, check out my other videos.